For countless generations, humanity has gazed at the night sky, mesmerized by the endless expanse of stars, galaxies, and the vast unknowns stretching beyond comprehension. From the earliest civilizations to the most advanced scientific minds, the cosmos has inspired curiosity, wonder, and a profound sense of humility. The night sky has always been more than a backdrop. It has been a mirror reflecting our questions, hopes, and imagination. This curiosity has driven a relentless quest to understand the universe, a pursuit that spans centuries and shapes the way we view our place in existence. Over time, humans have sought patterns in the stars, traced constellations, and imagined stories of gods, monsters, and heroes woven across the night sky. These myths were early attempts to explain the cosmos, to find order within the chaos of the heavens. As centuries passed, observation gave way to measurement, and superstition yielded to mathematics. In the 20th century, scientists formulated the Big Bang Theory, a model explaining the origin of the universe, its expansion, and the evolution of cosmic structures over billions of years. This theory revolutionized cosmology, providing a framework to explore the past and predict the future of the cosmos. Yet, even with such profound insights, fundamental questions remain. How did the universe achieve such extraordinary uniformity across unimaginable distances? What preceded the Big Bang? And why do physical laws take the specific forms we observe? Recent discoveries have only deepened these mysteries. In 2023, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope made a groundbreaking observation that astonished and perplexed scientists worldwide. JWST detected cosmic structures appearing to exist at a stage seemingly older than the universe itself, challenging current understanding of cosmic evolution. Could stars persist longer than the universe's calculated age? Could this anomaly demand a fundamentally new framework for cosmology? One star, located approximately 200 light-years from Earth in the constellation Lyra, embodies this cosmic mystery. Designated HD 40283, more commonly known as Methuselah, it is extraordinary not only for its remarkable age but also for its incredible velocity, traveling through space at nearly 4,483 kilometers per second. Methuselah's speed and trajectory reveal a tumultuous past. Around 1 billion years ago, when the Milky Way was still forming, our galaxy merged with a smaller dwarf galaxy. This cosmic collision scattered stars and left Methuselah moving at extraordinary speeds, a relic from a chaotic era in galactic history. Yet its age is the most astonishing aspect. Initial estimates suggested it could be as old as 16 billion years. Refined measurements place it around 14.46 billion years, with a margin of error of roughly 800 million years. This is striking because the widely accepted age of the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years. How could a star appear older than the universe itself? This paradox has forced astronomers to re-examine stellar dating methods and prompted new investigations into the reliability of cosmic chronometers. Dating stars is a complex endeavor. Unlike planets or moons, stars remain relatively stable in size and temperature for billions of years, making their ages difficult to determine precisely. Astronomers rely on subtle variations in brightness, spectral composition, and rotational velocity to estimate ages. Much like a spinning top gradually slowing due to friction, stars lose rotational speed over time. Scientists use techniques such as gyrochronology, comparing spin rates of stars at different life stages to infer their age. Methuselah stands as a testament to these methods, but also highlights their limits, suggesting that our understanding of cosmic time may require revision. If the history of the universe were compressed into a cosmic calendar, with the Big Bang at midnight on January 1st, Earth would appear only in the final hours of December 31st, and all human history would occupy mere seconds. Astronomers calculate the universe's age by studying radiation from the most distant stars formed hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, using redshift, the stretching of light due to cosmic expansion, to measure distances and growth. Observations consistently point to a universe roughly 13.8 billion years old. Yet alternative theories exist. Researchers at the University of Ottawa propose that the universe could be as old as 26.7 billion years. Professor Rajendra Gupta theorizes that protons may lose energy over vast distances and timescales, potentially altering redshift measurements. Concepts like tired light and varying interaction constants, first suggested in the early 20th century, could provide explanations for anomalies challenging conventional cosmology. Our comprehension of the cosmos has evolved dramatically. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble estimated the universe's age at just 2 billion years. Today, with advanced telescopes and precise instruments, we understand it to be nearly 14 billion years old. Each refinement emphasizes the immense antiquity of the cosmos and reminds us that our understanding remains provisional. Even within the Milky Way, mysteries abound. Observations of stars at the galaxy's outer edges reveal slower than expected motion, suggesting gaps in our knowledge of dark matter distribution. The European Space Agency's Gaia satellite has mapped nearly 2 billion stars with remarkable accuracy, providing insights that challenge previous mass estimates of our galaxy. Findings suggest the Milky Way's mass could be up to 5 times lower than previously thought, with profound implications for the influence of dark matter, an invisible substance shaping the structure and evolution of galaxies. Understanding stellar motions and galactic mass distribution remains an ongoing challenge. As data accumulates, astronomers refine models and deepen their insight into the intricate cosmic web binding galaxies together. Beyond our galaxy, humanity's quest for knowledge extends to the universe's earliest moments. Telescopes like JWST detect galaxies formed mere hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, revealing the first stages of star formation and galactic evolution. Observations of exoplanets orbiting distant stars have identified worlds with conditions potentially suitable for life. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, some exhibiting Earth-like characteristics. JWST has even detected water vapor, clouds, and haze in the atmosphere of WASP 96b, indicating that habitable conditions may exist in places once considered inhospitable. These discoveries spark profound scientific and philosophical questions. Could life exist elsewhere in the universe? What forms might it take? Could civilizations have emerged and vanished before we even existed? The study of exoplanets bridges observational astronomy and existential inquiry, forcing humanity to consider its place within a vastly larger cosmic context. Theories extend further still. Concepts such as the multiverse suggest the existence of countless parallel universes, each arising from interpretations of quantum mechanics. According to the many worlds hypothesis, every possible outcome of a quantum event occurs in a separate reality. While speculative, these ideas challenge us to think beyond observable phenomena, to imagine what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Other cosmic enigmas remain. Dark flow, the unexplained motion of galaxy clusters exceeding expectations, hints at forces and structures still beyond our comprehension. Despite uncertainty, one truth is clear: the universe is overwhelmingly dominated by invisible forces. Dark matter constitutes roughly 27% of the cosmos, while dark energy comprises nearly 68%, profoundly influencing expansion, evolution, and ultimate fate. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and life we know, makes up less than 5% of the total. Understanding these unseen components may one day revolutionize our conception of reality. Every observation expands knowledge while revealing deeper mysteries. Each discovery challenges assumptions, forcing scientists to rethink fundamental concepts and explore beyond current boundaries. From the ancient star Methuselah to the potential for life on distant worlds, from the enigmatic influence of dark matter to the accelerating push of dark energy, humanity continues to probe, to question, and to explore. The universe inspires awe, reminding us of its immensity and our smallness within it. Yet it also showcases the extraordinary power of human curiosity. Telescopes like JWST do more than capture light. They bridge billions of years, reveal cosmic history, and force us to reconsider our place within it. Each photon collected, each faint signal interpreted, is a testament to the persistence, ingenuity, and ambition of our species. As observational techniques improve, international collaborations deepen, and scientific tools become ever more sophisticated, the frontiers of space continue to expand. The quest to understand the cosmos is not merely scientific. It is a profoundly human journey, shaping our perception of reality, inspiring wonder, and challenging us to confront questions far beyond daily experience. With every new insight, humanity takes another step toward unraveling the universe's mysteries. The cosmos is far more complex, intricate, and beautiful than ever imagined. Yet it remains within reach of those willing to look, to question, and to persist. Every discovery reminds us that the universe is vast, impermanent, and full of secrets, and that our journey to understand it is only just beginning.